Well, hello there. So, I am just checking in really quickly. Figured today I'll give you guys an update. I am about to head to my ultrasound appointment, my 20 weeks anatomy scan. So, I'm gonna head to that in a bit. After that, my plan is to do a photo shoot, a DIY half-baked photo shoot. Since we're halfway there, I plan on doing it. Was last minute, it was decided last minute, so I'm gonna try to do my own halfway baked photo shoot, and fingers crossed it comes out good. I will show you guys the pictures if I feel like they come out good. I will show you guys the result, but I think that's the plan for today. Head over to my ultrasound appointment, then head to the store to get a few things for the half-baked photo shoot, take the half-baked photo shoot, and yeah, just pretty much chill after that. It is about 2:40 right now. My appointment is at 3:30, so I'm gonna go ahead and get on the way and get going to that soon. But there's not much that's been happening. This pregnancy has been going pretty smoothly, pretty easily so far. The only thing is that sometimes I get some round ligament pain from the round ligament stretching, and I feel like there's some pressure in my abdomen area. But other than that, it's been pretty uneventful in a good way. And I'm thankful for that. I am not nauseous. I have regained some of my energy back, although sometimes I got to remind myself to slow it down and rest a little bit. But my energy seems to be coming back, so I'm now trying to exercise some, like, implement an exercise routine a couple days a week and just keep busy. But we're halfway there and time is a flying. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys an update. Let me show you guys the bump and what I'm wearing. I'm wearing something simple. I don't have my shoes or my jacket on. I'm gonna put that when I'm ready to walk out the door. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm wearing and give you guys a bump update. All right, guys, so this is what I'm wearing. Just a plain black t-shirt and if you know, black leggings. These are the comfiest leggings that I've had throughout this pregnancy. They're not expensive. I got them from Primark, and I got it in a gray and a black. They're warm. They have fleece on the inside because they're fleece lined, so they have fleece on the inside. So warm, so stretchy, so comfortable. Like, that's all I've been wearing throughout this pregnancy so far. So that's what I'm wearing. Just this black leggings from Primark, basic t-shirt. I don't remember where I got it. I didn't check the tag. And yeah, and this is the outfit. This is the bump. We're halfway there. I hope you can see, but this is the baby and how we're looking so far at 20 weeks. I can't believe how fast time is actually going by. It's going by pretty quickly. But again, like I said, it's an uneventful pregnancy, which I'm very thankful and grateful to God for. I think the only thing my doctor said, I had already gained 6 pounds throughout this pregnancy, but I guess that's not too bad because of my weight. I think she said I should be gaining anywhere between 10 to 15 pounds because of the weight range that I'm in. But 6 pounds so far, not too bad. Hopefully I don't gain too much more, if any. And yeah, so all right, let's get ready to hit the road.
Trouble in your mind. Are you doing this just to test me? I'm mad
just a brief update. I just had my ultrasound done, gave my urine sample, and I'm sitting here waiting for the midwife to be called back in by the midwife. But yeah, the ultrasound went well. Anatomy scan, it was pretty long, like how long? Maybe 45 minutes. 45 minutes long scan. They scheduled an hour. But yeah, I'm just waiting for the midwife to come back in and call me in. Okay guys, now we live in the birthing center. It was like almost 2 hours long, but we're heading out. I had to take my blood work because apparently the very first time I visited at the other location, I did take blood work, but apparently they don't have it. So I had to do it again or come back. I chose to just do it again. So it's been an eventful appointment, but next time I come back in 4 weeks. So yeah, I'm heading home now and I'm gonna try to get a few items for my photo shoot, my half-baked photo shoot. I'll probably take you guys along to go see it. Alright guys, so I am at Walmart. I completely forgot that I was supposed to be vlogging. I am pretty much almost done. I am now in the beauty section looking for a toner because my toner is finished. So I'm trying to find a toner, but I really don't want to spend much time on it. So if I can't find one in the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna wrap up. Okay, so I see Neutrogena has, oh god, Neutrogena has an alcohol-free toner, but I've never tried it, so I don't know if it's gonna work. I like my toners to have hyaluronic acid in it, and this one doesn't. This one doesn't have any hyaluronic acid in there. So that one's gonna go back. Oh god. These are all cleansers. Alright, y'all, so no luck. I'm not gonna waste time trying to find a toner. I may order one on Amazon or go to Ulta or Sephora. But if you guys use toners, what are your favorite brands? I have dry skin for the most part, so I tend to use products that have hyaluronic acid, that is moisturizing with hyaluronic acid and glycerin. So drop your suggestions below. Let me know what do you normally use. If you use toner, what do you normally use? But yeah, I am about to get out of here and go home and take the photo shoot because it is now 7 o'clock on the dot. This is my cart. Not too many items, just picked up a few items. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. So alright, I also need a brow pencil, so I'm just gonna pick this up really quickly because mine is done. And I picked up one the other day, but it's a different brand than I'm used to getting, and I don't like it. It says brown, but it's really giving grayish vibes, and it's a different brand. I don't remember if it's L'Oreal or Revlon, but this is the pencil that I normally use, so I'm gonna stick with what works. So I'm picking that up and checkout time. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to do my half-baked photo shoot at home, and this is some of the things that I'm working with so far. I have a container here with some flour in it that I'm gonna use, and a sign here that says 20 weeks half-baked. Then I also have a half-baked Ben and Jerry's ice cream. That's the idea. I have a few different ideas of some photos that I want to take, so I'm gonna just try to do that, see if I can knock that out in about 30 minutes. But yeah, so that's what I'm working with so far. I have my outfit on, and I'm gonna try to knock off some photos in about 30 minutes or so. And I'm fingers crossed that they come out as good as I'm expecting them to. So we'll see, but that's the setup for now. All right, let's get to snapping. Hi guys, so photo shoot is done. I am so proud of myself because I got some really good pictures. Again, this photo shoot was decided last minute, and I went online, got some inspiration, and I got a few pictures. I forgot something. I just realized I forgot one thing. All right, I'm gonna go back and take some photos with that. I forgot one thing. Oh my god, one thing. I'm probably just gonna take 10 pictures, but for the most part, majority of the shoots that I wanted to capture, I did, except that one shot. So I'm gonna go back and do that right now. Oh, my hands are tired, y'all. But that's pretty much it for the night. I'm just gonna do that one shoot again, and stay tuned for the results of the pictures. Hopefully you get some ideas if you're a first-time mom to be, or you're a mom who's on a pregnancy journey and you've not yet even hit the halfway mark, or even if you have, and you want to take a shoot like this, hopefully you get some ideas. But I hope you guys are enjoying this type of videos. I'm enjoying making them, strangely enough. But thank you guys so much for watching. All right, stay blessed, lovelies, and I will see you guys in the next one.
You're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what